Hi, my name's Jason. I'm a fabricator here at GK. So one of my favorite projects that I get to do are aluminum booms for spraying agricultural produce. So first thing, when I get the material, I have to make sure to clean it, make sure everything's cut to size, make sure all my parts are in order, making sure the lasered parts are also cut correctly. After that, I'll start to weld it out. I went to Chemeketa first for automotive, and when I went through that, I had to take a welding survey class. So when I took that survey class, I really found that I enjoyed welding more than I did working on cars. One of the instructors there knew somebody here and had mentioned about GK. And so when I was getting closer towards finishing the program, I had applied, and luckily I was able to get an interview. And I interviewed with that supervisor, and they were able to offer me a position here as an entry-level fabricator. My first day was a little nervous because, I only knew the very basics of how to weld, not necessarily how to fabricate. But I had a great teacher, Dave Gabriel, and he really taught me a lot, and I did the fuel tanks with him for about a year. So yeah, over the course of the 3 years that I've been here, I've been lucky to have different mentors and whatnot, and so far each year my responsibilities have grown. It's gotten to the point where I'm teaching a few people now. So oftentimes we get a huge rush of just different projects. So I have done carbon steel, stainless, aluminum, some cast iron, and each one of those you can weld them with different processes, whether it be TIG welding or MIG welding. There's a lot that I can definitely still learn. Like I said, I'm still relatively new to this industry, and I'm continuously learning. There's quite a few fabricators here that when I have questions, I can ask them, and they're willing to help and teach me, or at least set me up in the right direction to figure it out. One of the things I like about GK is honestly the work environment. The people I get to work with, they're pretty fun. I often get to just switch between different materials. One day I'll do aluminum, the next day it's stainless, the next day I'm doing a big steel project. So just being able to do different materials within the next week or so, that's pretty fun. I like being able to just not have to sit all the time. There is some times where it is nice to just sit down and do some TIG welding, but sometimes when I get those big projects, it's nice to really just be able to move around and just be able to do different things every day.